In this video, we will be talking about Rank 1 Best IAS Coaching in Mumbai. When it comes to civil services examination preparation, people definitely want best guidance to do the best preparation. Why it is important to have the best guidance? The very simple reason, the best guidance can help you out in sorting out your hurdles in very less amount of the time. Definitely you will be able to prepare for Union Public Service Commission uh, in 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, but your target should always be that you clear the civil services examination within the stipulated time. Okay, because there are n number of the factors which plays a role when it comes to choosing the career, when it comes to becoming an IAS officer, when it comes to settling life. So this is the reason we are talking about IAS coaching centers in Mumbai, and that too rank 1 IAS coaching in Mumbai. So if you belong to Mumbai locality, it is very important that you should have the awareness of best IAS coaching center in Mumbai. Our Education, which is best ranking website in the world for the coaching institute, colleges, courses, have come up with the research report on best IAS coaching in Mumbai that you will be able to find when you search best IAS coaching in Mumbai, Our Education ranking. And you should definitely check Our Education ranking of IAS coaching institute. Why? The very simple reason, you cannot visit to every 300 or 400 coaching institutes in your city. It is very tough to visit every coaching institute and ask for the queries and list down the coaching centers and then decide the best one for you. This is the reason people look for top ranking websites, journals, and decide the right and best branded coaching center which act as a solution for their Indian Administrative Services examination preparation, guys. So guys, you should definitely read the research report made by Our Education, and there are n number of coaching institutes available in Mumbai, but Our Education has come up with the top 10 IAS coaching centers in Mumbai, which will help you in deciding the best coaching center apt and suitable for you as per even the locality. Okay, so guys, let's start one IAS coaching center in Mumbai in the year 2021. Guess it. Okay, so it is Plutus IAS coaching center in Mumbai. Plutus IAS coaching institute is finest IAS classes in complete India. It's not in Mumbai. During the time of COVID-19, people are taking help from top-notch online coaching centers for UPSC and civil services examination preparation. This Plutus IAS, which is now best IAS coaching in complete India, has given a very good guidance and very good services to the civil services examination aspirants. Students who have taken IAS classes from Plutus IAS Coaching Institute have marked the rating as 9.9 out of 10. Even from the Mumbai locality, IAS aspirants have given the feedback that the services from Plutus IAS Coaching Institute, be it the online, be it the classroom, it's marvelous. This is the reason now Plutus IAS Coaching Institute has become best IAS coaching in complete India. Plutus IAS Coaching Institute act as a benchmark, act as a shine star for the students looking to prepare for Union Public Service Commission examination. The good part of Plutus IAS Coaching Institute is their services. The faculty of Plutus IAS Coaching Institute are having more than 10 plus years of experience. When we talk about the infrastructure, it is located at prime location within the Delhi, within the Noida, and even at different places across India. So guys, the good part of Plutus IS Coaching Institute is its facilities, its student feedback, locality, online services, online classes. In fact, if you join Plutus IS online coaching, you won't be able to feel like that you are not in the classroom. It gives you the immense classroom kind of feeling, because the infrastructure, the facilities, the online module, training module, which is interactive, I would say that it's a unique interactive platform, is made in a manner that students who have taken classes with Plutus IS Coaching Institute said that it feels like having in the classroom. Okay, it is topmost coaching. It is well known for UPSC prelims examination preparation. It is even well known for UPSC mains examination preparation. Okay, mostly all the subjects with Plutus IS Coaching Institutes are available for optional training, and I would definitely emphasize on this point that Plutus IS Coaching Institute is having best UPSC faculty, and you know that, and you know it very well, that faculty of particular coaching institute matters a lot. That's the main root of coaching institute. So if a coaching institute is having more than 10 years of faculty, it itself describes how good this particular UPSC coaching institute is. This is the very simple funda and concept that you need to even keep in mind when selecting right and best IS coaching center in your locality. Guys, if you prepare for civil services examination, you should also check with whether that particular IS coaching institute is providing a civil services mock test or not. If it provides, what kind of analysis it gives to the students as a feedback after giving the mocks. When we talk about the Plutus IS Coaching Institute, which is rank 1 IS Coaching Institute in Mumbai, the faculty of Plutus IS Coaching Institute gives very good analysis and feedback to the student. Every individual I'm talking about, to the student. Again, I'm saying every individual I'm talking about their shortcomings, about the areas of the improvement where they need to work on to perform better in their examination. So it's about you need to select that particular coaching which should give you the qualitative output rather than quantitative. So there are n number of the coaching institutes across India where you'll be finding that coaching institutes are having a lot of batch strength. 1,000 2,000 students are there in one batch. When we talk about Plutus IS Coaching Institute, it is having very limited student batch size. That is very good. Are you able to say the batch size of Plutus IS Coaching Institute is just 50? So the good part, if the batch size of coaching institute is small, students can easily interact with the faculties. They can ask their doubt. They don't hesitate. This is also one of the reason people are liking Plutus IS Coaching Institute. When you join any physical classroom, you will be mostly finding that the classroom is having more than 100 or 70 students, and in classroom also people, definitely students, hesitate in asking their queries. Now come to the fees part of Plutus IS Coaching Institute. The fees taken by Plutus IS Coaching Institute is very nominal in complete India, with due the kind of the services offered by Plutus IS Coaching Institute, guys. So guys, you can even call Plutus IS Coaching Institute for any queries related to any batches related to a degree with IS coaching. If you have any query related to that, you can ask with any program, CSET courses, discounts. You need to call on the number 844 0231. Plutus IS Coaching, which is rank 1 IS Coaching in Mumbai. Contact number is 0844 844 0231. 0231. You need to call on this number. The time is 10 to 7 from Monday to Saturday, and you will be able to sort out your queries, and definitely take the demo class from this institute, because this research report is being produced by our education. You need to understand that how genuine and how much effort has been put in front to bring this report and to come up with the best IS coaching center. Okay, so definitely you should call Plutus IS Coaching Institute and check with the demo classes, and then take the final call. No one is forcing you to join that particular institute. You also should check it by yourself by taking the demo class. It does not cost you hard, it just takes your time. Okay, guys, the good part of this institute is even the past year result of 2020. I mean it's marvelous. Plutus IS Coaching Institute has given marvelous civil services examination result. Means out of batch of 80, more than 40 students, more than 40 students have cleared the UPSC civil services examination, and that is a very very important point that you should take in your mind when selecting the right and best coaching center. Guys, Plutus IS Coaching Institute has given more than 50% results. That matters a lot. All right, guys, you can visit Plutus IS Coaching Institute at www.plutusis.com. So guys, rank 1 best IS coaching in Mumbai is Plutus IS Coaching Center. Guys, if you come across any queries related to civil services examination preparation, be it with the study material, be it with the guidance, be it be any kind of mentorship, you can even call at this number that I have told you, 8444040231. All right, and thank you for watching this video. Happy learning. Stay tuned.